Welcome to my channel, Old Gold Coins. Today videos is one you won't to miss. We're diving into the world of coins, so let's get it started. The coin in the image is a British penny from 1997, featuring Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse, front side. The design on the coin is typical of UK pennies from that period, reflecting a standard format that was used for many years. Let's break down the details comprehensively. Portrait. The portrait of Queen Elizabeth II is shown facing right, wearing the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara, which is one of her most recognizable pieces of jewelry. This portrait was designed by Raphael Makhlouf, and it is the third definitive portrait used on British coinage, introduced in 1985 and used until 1997. Inscription. Around the portrait, you can see the inscription, Elizabeth II de Greg Fi 1997. This is abbreviated Latin for Elizabeth II de Gratia Regina Fide Defensatrix, which translates to Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. Mint mark. The initials, RDM, are visible beneath the portrait, standing for Raphael David Makhlouf, the designer of this depiction of the Queen. The reverse side of the 1997 penny features a depiction of the portcullis with chains, which is a design symbolizing the Palace of Westminster. This design has been used on the reverse of the penny since the decimalization of British currency in 1971. Designer. The reverse was designed by Christopher Ironside. Inscription. It includes the word 1 penny and the denomination value. Material. Made of copper-plated steel. Prior to 1992, British pennies were made from bronze, but due to the rising cost of copper, the Royal Mint switched to copper-plated steel. Weight. Approximately 3.56 grams. Diameter, 20.3 mm. Thickness, 1.65 mm. Edge. The edge is smooth with no inscription. The year 1997 marks the final year that Raphael Makhlouf's portrait of Queen Elizabeth II appeared on British coins. Starting from 1998, a new portrait by Ian Rank Broadley was introduced. This coin is part of the decimal coinage that began in 1971, when the UK moved from the old pounds, shillings, and pence system to a decimal-based currency. The 1997 penny is generally common and still in circulation in the UK. Its value is typically equivalent to its face value, unless it is in uncirculated or proof condition. Special collector sets minted in 1997 may carry a slightly higher value. However, any unique errors during minting could make it valuable to collectors. Would you like me to provide information on how to check for potential errors or rare variants of this 1997 penny?